Okay, question number 22. A source of sound is moving at a constant speed directly towards a stationary observer. What kind of problem is this? This is nothing but a Doppler effect. Okay, the source, I will not write here. I need some space to write this. So what I will do is I'll write here. A source is moving towards an observer. Okay, the sound waves has a speed of 340. This is C, frequency of 480. The observer hears a frequency of 650 f dash. What is the speed of source? Okay, so what is the formula here? The formula here is nothing but f dash. I'll write here f dash is equal to fc divided by c minus vs. Okay, so therefore let me substitute all the values. That's it. So f dash is 650 is equal to f. What is f? 480 multiplied by 340 divided by 340 minus Vs, right? I need to find out Vs. So which means Vs should be equal to 480 multiplied by 340 divided by 650. I have minus Vs. I'll do one thing. I'll take this in the next step. This should be fine. This should be 340 minus Vs is equal to so much. So let me calculate what is this value here. So I have 480 star 340 divided by 650. So how much do we get? 251. 251. So 340 minus Vs is equal to so much. Vs should be 340 minus 251, which should now be equal to 340 minus 251 is equal to 89. 89 meter per second. Answer is here.